Welcome to this Fieldwire tutorial for beginners. If you're in the construction industry, you know how challenging it can be to keep projects organized, manage blueprints, assign tasks, and ensure seamless communication between teams. That's where Fieldwire comes in. Fieldwire is a powerful construction project management software designed specifically for contractors, project managers, architects, and engineers. It helps streamline task management, blueprint collaboration, and real time communication to keep projects running smoothly. So, whether you're working on a small renovation or a large scale construction project, Fieldwire provides an intuitive, mobile friendly platform to help you stay on top of every detail. So, in this tutorial, we'll cover what Fieldwire is and why it's an essential tool for construction teams, its key features that help improve efficiency and reduce miscommunication, how to navigate and set up your first project in Fieldwire, and the best practices for task tracking, document management, and issue reporting. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how Fieldwire can help you optimize workflow, increase productivity, and improve collaboration across all your construction projects. So first, let's know what is Fieldwire. Fieldwire is a construction project management software that allows teams to collaborate efficiently on site and in the office. It brings together blueprint management, task tracking, and communication tools into a single platform, making it easier for teams to stay organized and complete projects successfully. So now simply head over to fieldwire.com and get started for free. So after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to this page right here where you will see all of your projects. So if you don't have any current project yet, of course, you can always create a new project. So simply enter the project name, the code, and of course, you can start with a blank project or clone existing projects. You can also use templates right here, but take note that templates are only available to those who upgrade their subscription plans. So let's say we want to use this project. As you can see, this is how Fieldwire projects will look like. So first we have this sections right here on the left hand side. So first is we have the plans. So this is where your plans will be heading over. So you can drop your plans here to get started. So plans will sync across all of your devices to provide your team with the latest information. So to create a new plan, simply click right here. So you can drag and drop your plans right here or select your files. So you can just simply upload blueprints and all the plans right here. After uploading, of course, you will always see them all right here. So if you want to organize them, you can always add new folders and organize them as you want. Next, we have the specification section. So from here, you can upload your specifications to get started. So simply click on new specification. And again, simply upload your files or select your files. Of course, we have also more upload options right here, such as uploading from Box, from Google Drive, OneDrive, or OneDrive Business, or simply a link. So next we have our tasks. So as you can see right here, you can add tasks to organize and prioritize your project. So tasks help you track action items, construction activities, inspections, punch lists, and more. So you can always create new tasks right here, as you can see. So just uh, fill up all of this information right here. And also import tasks. As you can see, if you just enter this task attributes manually, so you need to add all of these categories in the top. So just edit that on your Excel or spreadsheet and then upload them right here on Fieldwire. Next, we have watch tasks. So you will see all of the tasks right here. As you can see, I have a test task right here. We can always drag and drop them to this priority, completed or verified. So we have this Gantt chart right here. You can always put it back. Next is all tasks. You'll see it right here. We also have the concrete. So there's no tasks found right here. And of course, we can always add new categories to our task. Next is photos. So of course, you can always add photos right here. You can also add videos and 360-degree photos. And all your photos stay organized here to help your team monitor progress on your project. So to add a new photo or video, just click right here. You can either add a photo or a 360 photo, and always upload your files right here. And again, you can always use the upload options, such as all of these drives. Next, we have the file section. So from here, you will see all of the files needed for your project. So let's say you have a file for this project, you can always upload those files right here to organize your work. So simply select new file, just upload your file right here. And of course, you can always create again new folders to organize all of those files. So let's say you want to add a bunch of files or a bunch of photos or simply a bunch of contracts. You can always upload them right here and segregate them in a new folder. So that's basically all of the features of your projects in Fieldwire. So if you want to select another project, just click right in the top left. You can always go back home and select the other project that you have. You can also add new people. As you can see right here, you can add new users. So you can invite to account or invite to project. Simply select the project and then add the email. So enter their email, invite them, and when they accept, they will now or they can now work with you with that specific project. Also have our account settings right here, and again the templates that is available for those who have upgraded their plans. So that's basically all for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.